Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome to the Skate Tutors Holiday Special. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. In this video, guys, we're going to be focusing on pop shove it tricks down by the lake. And then also after that, we're going to be talking about some street skating trick tips. So also stay tuned to the end for that. Holiday Special, awesome. We got Santa here, we got this little man, we got some lights. Check it out. Stay tuned. We're down by Lake Nakamixon down here. We're gonna learn how to do the pop shove it. So when you do the pop shove it, it's all about having your back foot in this pocket here, and you wanna just push down and kind of scoop it behind you. And you also can kind of curl your toes around it. Foot positioning for the pop shove it. And another awesome tip is to keep your weight in the back part of the tail, in that pocket. When you scoop down, keep all that weight on that back foot and just kind of like lift your front foot up and scoop down and back behind yourself and pick this foot up and jump with the skateboard. Didn't do it right that time, but I'm gonna get it this time. All right, here we go. Gotta get this back foot in this pocket. You gotta scoop, gotta focus on that weight and the scoop. There you go. Getting that pop shove it or shove it. Then after you do it stationary, you can do it moving. But you always want to kind of get it down stationary. It's windy, I can't even pick up my board. Then you want to get it down moving.
Ho, ho,
Get
ho.
down moving. It's all about focusing on that back weight.
Ho, 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 ho. And always remember to catch the pop shove with your front foot, stomp and land, and ride away clean.
Yeah. So always jump with the skateboard and bend your knees, land bolts, and lean forward. Ride away clean. Doing the pop shove. Yo, and the shoes that I like when I'm skating are the Brandon Westgate 508 skate shoes, New Balance, right here, new color. Check it out. There'll be a link below if you want to get these shoes. They're dope. I love them. Yo, it's crazy down here at the lake where they load these boats. There's like not enough like soft or smooth spots. So there's like this one little smooth spot, and it's like windy as heck. So I got to really focus on like just getting speed here and like really kind of absorbing this kind of rough surface. And another good tip when you do the shove it, compared to the pop shove it, it's just more about getting that weight on that back pocket of the tail, and then you'll do more of a shove it than a pop shove it. I'm gonna try it right here. Having difficulty, but it's gonna be an awesome shot. Got a couple shove-its here. Gotta focus on the weight. Put my car keys down. Hopefully I don't get run over. Yeah, solid. Sweet, that was more like a pop shove it, but check it out. Next spot we're gonna go to is a secret little ledge spot. We're gonna go there right now. Bam. Bye, Lake. Yo, we're down here at the bridge, and this is a secret spot, and we're gonna learn how to do ollie off the ledge. We've got the little guy here. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, Happy Holidays, everybody. Let's do this. Here we go. All right, yo, it's always remember to wear a helmet, Santa hat. That little guy's gonna give me good luck. Remember, when you ollie over off stuff, you gotta make sure you bend your knees, warm up, and I didn't even warm up, so this is gonna be crazy. You just gotta make sure you bend your knees when you land. And at first, when you first do it, you kind of can like roll off of it, like I kind of did there. And then you get used to just ollieing off of it. And then you can do other tricks. Do another ollie, and then we'll try, actually we're gonna try 180 now. Let's do the ollie again.
good pop on that ollie helps you float that ollie through the air so you can land on all four wheels at the same time and ride away clean.
Yeah, happy holidays, everybody. Make sure you like ollie and like level out your ollies. Bend your knees when you land, ride away clean. Santa! Santa's coming!
Make sure when you do 180s off ledges, you've mastered the trick so the time you get to do it, your adrenaline just takes over, you don't even need to think, and you just stomp that 180 right away clean.
One of the craziest things about that was it was like a giant death on the other side. Yeah, that was the craziest thing about that. Make sure you guys click up here for that next episode. It's my original holiday special, skateboarding and snow skating. Check it out. Click up there for that episode. Peace. Happy holidays.